Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Episode von The German Word of the Day. Before we start with today's word, I just want to make sure you guys check the description box after every video to copy the word and the phrase. Best would be if you have a book where you write them down every day and you keep practicing them. Okay, so our word today is Ofen, which means oven, Ofen. And our phrase with that word is der Kuchen backt im Ofen, which means the cake is baking in the oven. Der Kuchen backt im Ofen. The cake is baking in the oven. Say the word out loud. Keep practicing. If you have any questions to this word or any other word of the day, just drop a comment below and I will try to help you. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.